So we're here once again celebrating Wind Week in the UK, and I must say we have a lot to celebrate here in the northeast of England with Energy Coast, the northeast of England's offshore wind cluster. My name's Joanne Leng. I am Deputy Chief Executive for NOF, but also Deputy Chair of Energy Coast. So as I say, great to support Wind Week again and tell you a little bit more about Energy Coast and what we've been up to. Okay, so the cluster itself, it's really going places, really made some significant progress in the last couple of years. We now have wide stakeholder engagement within the cluster, from the developers involved in Dogger Bank and the Sophia wind farm project. We have the universities, academia, we have the ports, we have the supply chain as well. And the supply chain element is exceptionally strong within the cluster. It's a really cohesive, collaborative, engaging cluster. And each of the individuals work really hard to make sure that they promote the capabilities here in the region. So recently we've undertaken a supply chain mapping exercise, and we've identified that we have 400 plus companies in the northeast of England with capabilities to supply into the offshore wind industry. We looked at the project life cycle. We have strengths in installation commissioning, balance of plant, operations and maintenance, and also the decommissioning space as well, should that be needed in the future. Within the project life cycle stages, we have specific areas of expertise. These, I would say, originate from our legacy in offshore oil and gas. So some of the areas we have expertise are along subsea engineering and equipment, all things cable related, construction management, logistics and operations management, strong ports and infrastructure. We have training, we have safety planning, we have fabrications, and we have machining. Okay, so very proud to say that we here in the northeast of England are working exceptionally hard on UK projects, but also the international projects as well. And for those of you who were involved in our Offshore Wind Northeast conference and exhibition recently, you would have seen a lot of the Energy Coast companies speaking, presenting at that event, some of them on the international markets. One of the sessions I chaired looking at the global markets. So for example, we had SMD looking at the South Korean market, we had Kathy looking at the USA market, and we had Techmar looking at the Japanese market. And the good thing about this cluster as well, and the people involved, is they're very keen to share their knowledge, share their experiences, share the contacts network with others to make sure that this region really benefits from both the UK opportunities and the global opportunities. So we've done well to date, looking at the fixed market. We need to develop our expertise in the floating market to make sure that we as a region take advantage of all of the opportunities that will be coming our way in global offshore wind.